Hey guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can delete your saved passwords on Google Chrome. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is open up our web browser, Google. And there's actually two ways to do this. So the first way, once you're signed into your Google account, if you go ahead and click on your profile up here in the top right hand corner, and then come down and click on to manage your Google account. And on the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto security. And then if you scroll down, and towards the bottom, you'll see there's a box here which is called Password Manager. And if you go ahead and click onto that, so this is going to have a list of sites and apps that you've got your password saved for. And to delete one of those, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the one. Let's take Instagram, for example. Just going to give that a click. So it's just going to ask me to log in to verify that it is me. And you can see right here, it's got my details, my username and password for one of my Instagram accounts. And to go ahead and delete that, all I need to do is click the delete button down here, and that's going to delete the password and log in. So that's one way. The second way to do it is, if we go back to the homepage Google, so what you need to do is next to your profile, you've got the three dots up here. If you go ahead and give that a click and then go down to settings, and on the left hand side you should see a button and an option there called autofill. So if you go ahead and give that a click, and you want to click the first one at the top, which is passwords, and if you scroll down you'll actually see again a list of autofill information, so for different websites. And to delete any of those, let's take the Instagram example again. So you can see there it is, the one that I just had up on my Google account. And to go ahead and delete that, all I need to do is locate the account I want to delete, click the three dots to the far right, which says more actions, and quite simply click onto remove. And what that's going to do is again stop that from autofilling on the login screen. So I hope you found that helpful. Please leave a comment below if there's any tutorials you want me to do in particular, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.